We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to pronounce more related words in English. How do you go about pronouncing it? In British English, this is said as speciality. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the A syllable. Speciality. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as speciality. Speciality in American English versus speciality in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.